Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. Thank you for the opportunities have given to us. I want to present presentation about our project. Our project title is BPJS Kesehatan. Next. Before I begin presentation, I want to introduce myself. That my name is Muhammad Zidan Satrio and my partner is
Muhammad Daka Anugrah.
My name is Damar Wicaksono.
next. First slide, system summary, BPJS Kesehatan. In this implementation of IT in BPJS Kesehatan, we plan a manufacture of flowchart, pseudocode, and dry run. So first of all, we have to make a flowchart which is shown of our own concept and problems, and then we translate the flowchart in pseudocode, which an informal way of programming description does not require any strict programming language, syntax, or underlying technology consideration. It is used for creating an outline or rough draft of a program. Pseudocode summarizes a program's flow but excludes underlying details. Next. First, we start from flowchart. We start. After that, it will process. There are characters choose, numeric and menu, procedure, PLC payment method, PLC claim health service, PLC complaint. After the process, it will display BPJS Kesehatan menu, and there are 4 options in the menu. After display, accept the option, accept and home menu. After accept and home menu, after input, and there's 4 decision. First decision is C-service equals 1. If the answer no, if the answer yes, it will move to registration. If the answer no, it will move to the decision 2. If is C-service equals 2, if the answer is yes, it will go to payment method. And if the answer no, it will move to decision 3. Is C-service equals 3? If the number is yes, if the answer is yes, it will move to claim health service. If the answer no, it will move to decision 4. Is C-service equals 4? If the answer yes, it will move to complaint. If the answer no, it will move to return or end. Next slide. Flowchart registration. We start from registration, and their process include character separation registration, choose, select class, numeric and menu, registration and class, procedure, PLC registration, PLC new patient, PLC old patient. We start from first process, select class. After select class, it will display the requirement to register BPJS Kesehatan. First requirement is family card. Second is active email and mobile number. And third is passport visa. After display, input the option, accept si patient, and it will display again to select class option. There are 3 select class option. First is class 1, second is class 2, and 3, and third is class 3. Next to page of connector. In this slide, in this page, flowchart select class, it will explain about class facilities. There are 3 decisions. Is C class equals 1? If the answer yes, it will display the facilities of class 1. If the answer no, we move to decision, second decision. If the answer is yes, it will display the facilities of class 2. If the answer no, it will move to third decision. Is C class equals 3? If the answer yes, it will display the facilities of class 3. If the answer no, it will back to PRC registration. Back to after page of connector, we will input the select class, accept and class. After that, we will go to payment method subroutine. And then it will display want to process the next process. Select Y and enter if you want to continue. Select N if you want to back to main menu. Accept the option. Accept C choose. There's a decision. If the answer yes, it will go to health service. If the answer no, it will return. Next.
And the next flowchart is payment method. Start from the process of character C comment, numeric and price, and payment, numeric and choose payment, procedure PRC payment, PRC process attempt transfer, PRC process auto debit, PRC process SMS banking, proses internet banking, PRC proses kantor pos, PRC proses Indomaret. And it will display this R price for selected class and display the value of many class. And it will input acceptance price. And then it will display total payment detail of your selected class and go to the connector, the next page. And the next page is accept and payment. In this flowchart, there are 6 options. The first option is process attempt transfer, and it will display attempt transfer. The second process is auto debit. The third process is SMS banking. The option 4 is internet banking, and the next process is kantor pos, and the last process is Indomaret. And all of option it will display thank you for your visit to BPJS Kesehatan. Is there anything we can help again? Press M to back to menu and Y to comment. If you choose Y, it will accept the comment, and is commentary equals Y, it will to exit. And if you choose N, it will to PRC home menu. And the next flowchart is claim health service. It will begin to process of character C claim health service, procedure PRC claim health service, C choose poly, PRC choose poly, PRC new patient, PRC outpatient, PRC general poly, PRC child poly, surgical poly, PRC internal medicine poly, and PRC pulmonary poly. And then it will display have you been registered BPJS or this is first time. Choose Y if you are outpatient and choose N if you are first time. And it will input accept the C patient. It will go to decision is outpatient equals Y. If no, it will is new patient, and then it will to page off the next page. And if you choose yes, it will process the choose poly. After choose poly, it will go to page off and take a queue, number, and seat.
Next, the flowchart choose poly. The off-page connector port, we have display, please choose poly, first general poly, second child poly, third surgical poly, fourth internal medicine poly, fifth pulmonary poly. And then accept C poly and we have decision and five decision. The first decision is C general poly equals 1. If your answer is yes, you direct take a key number and sit. And if your answer no, going to second option, second decision is C child poly. If your answer yes, going to direct take a key number and sit. If your answer no, go next to decision 3, surgical poly. If your answer yes, direct to take a key number and sit. And if your answer is no, you're going to decision number 4, C internal medicine poly. If your answer is yes, you direct going to take a key number and sit. If your answer is no, going to the last decision is C pulmonary poly. If your answer is yes, going to direct take a key number and sit. And if your answer is no, going back to return. Next. Claim insurance. We have process, character C choose, procedure, PRC hospital referral, PRC public health center, PRC inpatient, PRC return, PRC complaint. And we have decision and 3 options of decision. First, we have process inpatient. If you choose process inpatient, going to inpatient or emergency room. The second, if you choose process public health center, it will display public health center. If you choose process hospital referral, it will display hospital referral or ICU. And the 3 of option, it will display thank you for choose claim insurance. Is there anything we can help gain? Press Y to return and press N to exit. If you choose N, it will accept C choose and going to procedure complaint. And if you choose Y, it's going to return. Next. And the flowchart complaint. We have process, numeric, and rating, character C complaint. And the display will the realization of quality health insurance without discrimination. Please write a complaint and rating about our service. And it will accept and rating and see complaint. And it will return.
And we move to pseudocode home menu. It will begin with character choose, numeric and menu, procedure PRC, registration, PRC payment method, claim health service, complaint, and it will begin to display welcome to BPJS Kesehatan home menu, and you will see the display select your service. The first service is registration, the second is payment method, the third is claim health service, and the last is complaint. And it will accept an home menu, and then it will switch case with home menu, and it will begin with case 1. The case 1 is called PRC registration and break. Case 2 is called PRC payment method and break. Case 3 called PRC claim health service and break. Case 4 is called complaint break. And the option 5 is it will display please select one of 4, and it will break and the program is end. And it will this is pseudocode registration. It will begin with character participation registration, manual registration, procedure PRC registration, PRC inpatient, PRC outpatient, and it will begin with display, insert your identity, and the insert is 3 requirements. The first requirement is family card. The second is active email and mobile number, and the third is passport visa. And it will accept participation, and then it will display select class health facility, and in this option is 3. And it will move to switch case and begin with case 1 is called PRC class 1 break, and case 2 is called PRC class 2 and it will break, and the case 3 is called PRC class 3 and break. And the option 5 is display, please select one of 3 and it will break and the program is end, and move to the description of facility of class. And if you choose the option 1, it will display room capacity 2 until 5 patient and available upgrade to VVIP room extend class, and it will end and it's begin with the option 2 and display room capacity 3 until 5 patient available upgrade to VVIP room extend class, and it will end and else begin with the description of option 3. It will display doctor consultation, medicine, medical material, and tools, and the program is end. And this is Sudocode payment method. It will begin with display when to proceed to the next process. Select Y and enter if you want to continue. Select N if you want to main menu. And it will accept your choice. And it will be switch case with begin. The case 1 is called PRC continue and break. Case 2 is called PRC main menu and break. The option 3 is will display, please select Y or N, and it will break, and the program is end. And it will begin with numeric and price, numeric and choose payment, procedure PRC payment, and begin with these are price for selected class, and will display the cost of class 1, class 2, and class 3, and it will accept and price. And then it will display total payment details of your selected class, and the program is end.
And still in the same PLC payment method, we start from begin statement. After that, input accept and payment. There's process PLC process attempt transfer, PLC process auto debit, PLC process SMS banking, PLC process internet banking, PLC process counter POS, PLC process Indomaret. Then there switch begin. There are 6 case call PLC process attempt transfer and display process attempt transfer and break. Next to case 2, there calls PLC process auto debit, display process auto debit and break. Case 3, call process SMS banking, display process SMS banking and break. Next to case 4, call PLC process internet banking, display process internet banking and break. And case 5, call PLC process counter POS and it will display process counter POS and break. And last case 6, call PLC process Indomaret, display process Indomaret and break. If you choose case 7, it will display please select payment method and break, and the program will end. After that, display thank you for your visit to BPJS Kesehatan. Is there anything we can help again? Press Y to back to menu and N to the exit. If C choose equals Y or C choose equals N, begin. We start from begin again. Kasih comment and the program end. As if for another option, begin call PLC home menu and the program will end. Next, PLC claim health service. We start from begin statement. After that, we move to process. There's character C claim health service, C2, CY, CN. Procedure PLC claim health service, PLC new patient, PLC old patient, PLC registration. And then we start begin again. And it will display, have you been registered with BPJS or this is first time? And it will display the option. Choose Y if you are old patient, choose N if you are first time. Accept the input, accept C patient, and they are switch. Begin case 1, call PLC old patient and break. Case 2, call PLC new patient and break. And if you choose another option, it will display choose Y or N, and it will break and the program will end. And next is the description of the case. If is C old patient equals Y, then begin. Display. Please choose poly. In display, it will show many options of poly. There are 5 options of poly. Then accept the input, accept C poly, switch C poly, begin. Case number one, call PLC general poly and break. Case 2, call PLC child poly and break. Case 3, call PLC physical poly and break. Case 4, call PLC internal medicine poly and break. Case 5, call PLC pulmonary poly and break. And if you choose 6, it will display press select 1 until 5, 1 of 5, and break. The program will end. Display, after you choose one of case, it will display take a queue number and seat. And as for the another option, if C all patient equals no, begin, accept C N. As is C new patient equals Y, begin, accept CY, and back to call PLC registration, and the program will end. Next.
And now, pseudocode claim insurance. Start with begin, character C choose, numeric and claim insurance, procedure PRC process hospital referral, PRC process public health center, PRC process inpatient, PRC return, PRC complaint. Switch, begin. We have 3 cases. Case 1, call PRC process inpatient, display inpatient, and then break. Case 2, call PRC process public health center, display public health center, and then break. Case 3, call PRC process hospital referral, display hospital referral, and then break. And the switch end. And then display, thank you for choose claim insurance. Is there anything we can help again? Press Y to back to menu, and N to exit. If C choose equals Y or C choose equals N, begin. Accept C choose equals Y, call PRC return, N. Else if, begin. Accept C choose equals N, call PRC complaint, N. And the program will end. Next. And the last pseudocode is complaint. Begin, numeric and rating, character C choose, C complaint, and then display, and will display the realization of quality health insurance without discrimination. Please write a complaint and rating about our service. Accept and rating and NC complaint, and then the pseudocode will end.
And we move to dry run. The first dry run is home menu. The first initiation is n home menu, and the input is n home menu. It will process accept n home menu, and the output is display BPJS Kesehatan menu, registration, payment method, transport service, complaint. And the second initiation is menu, and in input there are 4 option. The first option is will process call PRC registration. The second input will be process call PRC payment method. The third input is will be process call PRC claim health service, and the fourth input is process call complaint, and the output is it will display please select 1 of 5.
And next, the run is procedure PLC registration. There are 4 initiation in this run table. First input is PLC new patient, and the process is called PLC registration. And if you input C choose. It will process cal PLC innovation, and the output will be same. Is display insert your identity. Therefore, requirement for register BPJS Kesehatan. First requirement is family card. Second is active email and mobile number. And third is passport visa. Next to C select class. The second initiation. The input is C select class. Input your option or select class. And process accept the patient. Accept your option, and the output will display the option class. There are 3 option class. First class 1, second class 2, and third class 3. And third initiation is and select class. Input, there's 4 input. There's 1 until 4. If you input 1, the process will be cal PLC class 1. If you input 2, the process will be cal PLC class 2. If you input 3, the process will be cal PLC class 3. If you choose 4, back to cal PLC registration. And from your option, your input, it will display every facilities in class. And last initiation in this diagram table is C select class. Input C select class and process what your input accept and class. And then the output will be PLC payment method. Next.
Next, PRC payment method. The first initiation, we have C payment method. The input is and choose payment. The process is PRC payment. The output will display these are price for selected class. Class 1, 150,000 rupiah. Class 2, 100,000 rupiah. And class 3, 35,000 rupiah. Next, we have the second initiation and total payment. The input is N payment. In N payment, we have 6 process. There is first PRC ATM transfer, second PRC auto debit, PRC SMS banking, the fourth is PRC internet banking, fifth PRC kantor pos, and the sixth we have PRC Indomaret. And the all process will display. Thank you for your visit to BPJS Kesehatan. Is there anything we can help again? And next we have initiation C command. In C command we have two input Y and N. And the process of Y is call PRC home menu, and in the end PRC accept command. The two of input will output PRC home menu, and the last initiation is N price. The input is N price. Process PRC payment. The output will PRC total payment. Next.
Next to procedure PLC claim health service diagram table. There are 4 initiation again. First is C claim health service. The input is C claim health service. The process accepts C choose. And the output will be display. Have you been registered BPJS or this is first time? Choose Y if you are outpatient. Choose N if you are first time. Second initiation is C patient. The input is Y and N. If you choose Y, it will process cal PLC outpatient. If you choose N, it will process cal PLC inpatient. From the input Y, it will output PLC choose poly. And if you choose N, it will output PLC registration. Third, C choose poly. The input is C choose poly. Choose what poly one do you want to go. And the process it will accept a C poly. And the output will display the poly. There are 5 poly. There are general poly, child poly, surgical poly, internal medicine poly, and pulmonary poly. And the last initiation in this PRC claim health service is end-use poly. There are 6 input. First is if you input number 1, it will process call PRC general poly. And if you choose number 2, it will call PRC child poly. If you choose number 3, it will call PRC surgical poly. If you choose number 4, it will call PRC internal medicine poly. If you choose number 5, it will process call PRC pulmonary poly. And if you choose 6, it will back call PRC return. And from 1 until 5 input, it will display in the output. Display is take a queue number and sit. And if you choose number 6, it will return. Next.
The next dry run is procedure PRC claim insurance. The first initiation is in claim insurance. There is 3 options, 3 input. The first input will be process called PRC process inpatient. The second input will be process called PRC process public health center. And the third input is called PRC process hospital referral. And the output, if you choose, 1 is display inpatient, 2 display public health center, 3rd display hospital referral, and the last initiation in this dry run is in claim insurance. There is input is Y and N. If you choose Y, it will be called PRC return. If you choose N, will be called PRC complaint. And the output is you choose Y, will be PRC return, and if you choose N, will display or the output is PRC complaint.
The last dry run in our presentation is PRC complaint. The initiation is C complaint. The input and rating, process accept and rating, and the display in output will thank you for you choose claim insurance. Is there anything we can help again? Press Y to back to menu and N to exit. And second input is C complaint. The process is accept C complaint. The output will display is thank you for your or choose claim insurance. Is there anything we can help again? Press Y to back to menu and N to exit. Next. This is our presentation. Thank you for the attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.